Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness says, as the country continues to see growth in its economy, more resources will need to be implemented to treat the prevalent issue of violence among Jamaicans. According to the Jamaica Constabulary Force latest crime statistic, there's been a 19% reduction in murders for the first 20 days of 2024. So my viewers and subscribers, so now hear what Andrew say, more resources for a crime fight with continued economic growth. So you mean to tell me say, so then I'm gonna do nothing to help with the crime. Them just go get more resources to fight crime. When you listen to what me I say to you, in my plan to get more resources to fight crime. In a plan to put something in place to decrease the crime, because him keep on and say crime a decrease it. That's what them say, my viewers and subscribers. And we all know Andrew Holness and the way how him is. We all know Andrew Holness and the way how he is. He's not a man of his word. You understand? Because this a man here said no more resources for crime fight. So basically, that's why you see them a get all of them something here, them car and them bike and one bag of something them a get. But what are you going to implement to help to decrease it? You have to put something in place, because remember, my viewers and subscribers, remember say this money always I send out Zozo, So instead of send out Zozo all the time, if you assess the situation first, assess each parishes, you understand? And see where they can go moving forward. But this man him no know where him do. Him go back here. So that's what me tell you say. You see, they don't want no. I hear him attack. You don't want no crime and no violence decrease. Me not think so. Because he must say he must get more resources to fight crime. You see the way how them get whole heap of resources about the crime and them something there. I wish I saw him get more ambulance, more fire truck and them something there for the people them. Because remember say a whole heap of accident happening, my viewers and subscribers. Whole heap of accident happen. So I would have like Andrew Holness. I say it all the time in my video them. I know that if you watch me for a long time. I say it all the time. If Andrew Holness get ambulance, you understand? All the effort when put in getting the bike and the jeep and stuff like that. If you get ambulance for the hospital them, it would be so good. Because as I said, whole heap of accident happen. And when accident happen, is if somebody not take you and dash you in a van back or dash you in a car, or some people, these days people not even want to help nobody. It's very rare. But if you have ambulance, you understand, and you can call the number and make sure so when you ring the number, operator is there to answer straight away. Not a ring number for how much minutes, for half an hour, and nobody no come on the phone. You understand? So you need to step up on the game. Really and truly upon that part there. Which me not see no effort. When it come to health and crime, me not see no effort I make. The only thing Andrew Holness I say, oh, he's getting more bike and he might get more car. That's all. But what that really I do? What is that doing? You need to implement something. You need to analyze what is happening, assess it, and then you implement something. You have to do something, Andrew Holness. You have to do something. You only talk the talk, but you can't walk the walk. But you tell me what to think, my viewers and subscribers, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. The UK is sending some of Ghana's crown jewels back to the country 150 years after stealing them from the court of the Asante King. A gold piece pipe is among 32 items returning under long-term loan deals. The Victoria and Albert Museum is lending When I hear them something, you know, lending 17 pieces and 15 are from the British Museum. Ghana's chief negotiator said he hoped for a new sense of cultural cooperation after generations of anger. Some national museums in the UK are banned by law from permanently giving back contested items in their collections. So my viewers and subscribers, UK to loan Ghana crown jewel. So what you mean loan? What you mean UK to loan? What do they mean when they talk about UK to loan? How UK for loan something that is not for them? I mean, I understand. The crown jewels is not for the UK. It is for the people of Africa. So wait there. So how comes them a turn around and a lend the people them of Africa them own things? Make it make sense no? Come and understand. So you tell me now say Ghana really I go borrow it? Eh? Me not wrong no take it. Come and know what kind of loan is that. Take it and don't give them back. Come in and understand, kind of feed them it. So them a say UK to loan Ghana's crown jewels 150 years after stealing them. So then steal them and then they want to turn around and lend it back to the owner. They come like them sticking at the head, my viewers and subscribers. When I hear them something here, me go into the article and the article say UK to loan Ghana crown jewels 150 years after stealing them. How comes that? How? Remember say it belongs to Ghana. So how comes they are going to lend the owner it? It don't make no sense. My viewers and subscribers, Jano, sometimes when I see them say some things, come out and say some things, me have to wonder. Wanna tell me what you think? I want to hear for no opinion on this.
Jamaicans from 2020, I have been asking, I have been talking, I have been raising the awareness of the 15.4 billion Jamaican dollars that is missing from the government entity cap. I see a lot of people say, you don't know what you're talking about, you have no clue what you are talking about, you don't hear nothing in the media about that, stop spread propaganda. I'm happy Mr. Mark Golden come out and talk about it. But why is it other people is not bringing it to the forefront? 100 million US dollars. And my Jamaican people, it stays silent for so long. But I want to say to the opposition, I applaud you for coming out. But when did you know the information, sir? Because I've been speaking about this from 2020. Up until 2021, we have been calling out on these missing funds. Yes, Jamaica. But it fall upon deaf ears. Jamaica, this can't continue. The Jamaica Labour Party is raping the country. This cannot continue. When will somebody be held accountable? 400 million missing from the health department. No accountability. The Agricultural Society invests millions of the taxpaying dollars into SSL. And that money, some of that money was used. And yet still there is no accountability. The Educational Ministry invests money in SSL and many more Jamaica. Of the Jamaica entities that is run by government with the taxpayers' money went into SSL. No accountability. Jamaica, these money just gone. And nobody seems to want to answer anything. And nobody is going to answer anything. Jamaica can't continue like that. Jamaica should never allow to continue like that. But I want to say to the opposition leader, Mark Golding, if you become the next government, if your party form the next government, will you hold these people accountable?
My viewers and subscribers, you see, when we come out and talk and ask, where is the money for this? Where is the money for that? Everybody get vexed. Nobody no one will say nothing about it, you know. But the thing is, remember when we ask where is the money, remember say Andrew Holness and Nigel Clark are the first one to stand up and say, we receive 100 billion, we receive 10 million, we're going to do this, we're going to do that. Remember say we are look out of we eye, you know. So when we say nothing not done, we are going to talk. But you have all the bloggers too, when I bring that to the forefront, they not bring it out. They not talk about, what they talk about, they not talk about. You understand? These are the things they need to come out and address. And they're not addressing it. And when we come out and talk about it, everybody get vexed and say Andrew Holness a good prime minister. This is why I know so they not no damn sense. But when Mark Golding win, Mark Golding for hold them accountable for every single money where they Teef up. And they figure prison. They figure prison. And when before they go prison, I want them stand up in front of the station, in front of courthouse with a handcuff them so the world can see. My viewers and subscribers, I agree with Information Minister. Everything where you hear Information Minister say, I agree with him. Yeah, because he might watch and he see what go on and he understand what is happening. You understand? This a man who know what go on. You can follow him on TikTok, in over on TikTok, he name Cardo Mike, but everybody know him as Information Minister. You get me? Talk him and always play him. Always put up in video. So, if you don't want to find him, he name Cardo Mike on TikTok. You can run over there and give him a strength. So my viewers and subscribers, a lot of people don't really know what go on. They don't understand. Because things that we are seeing, you know, they not see that on the mainstream media. They not see that none at all. You understand? So we know what is really happening. Andrew Holness needs to fix up in folly ground, which he's not doing. Him, Nigel Clark, Christopher Tufton, Horace Chang, none of them now do nothing good for Jamaica. All them come out and talk how them are going to build infrastructure and them are going to build highway and them are going to do this and do that. Pure promises. Come on, promises are comfort to a fool. That's why I have to come on. I have to come all the while come lick out against Uno because of pure foolishness and keep up with. But my viewers and subscribers, Uno tell me what you think about this and how you feel and put an honest opinion in the comment section. You can like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.